Hi guys, welcome back. Today I sorry. Today I am showing my robots, my Lego robot. What cool? Not like is my screen still blurry for you? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you all. Happy Easter across the world. Here's cold year. Okay, the gold, Don't ask why his back piece is missing, his gold piece. I lost it, what he saw. It came with his bike path. Then, when I was looking into my pile of old toys, what I forgot about, I found. Wait, let me think of the legs of this robot. Wait, he falls off like so easily with the torso. Here's this piece. So you saw that other channel with the guy going You see that guy? You use that piece with his robots. The one with the flat face. Yeah, that's what I made. I'm just putting the robot back together. He's like so so good at building. I tried building it, but I failed because I needed that same exact piece. And yeah, I made the robot. It's a robot here. It can't, you know that video that other guy made with Hot Toys. You know the company Hot Toys they just dropped out the new series, Dark Vader, Moonlight, Deadpool, Wolverine. Uh, but about that, you see, you know the Iron Man bones, that Iron Man suit, but falls apart in that second movie where the feet that guy would get hot. You see when bones like dislocate his body, that's what this robot can do. Look, it can dislocate its thingy for a reason. And I told you all earlier it's loose, that's right. The body part. Like it can attach your part. I'm gonna still make flame effects. I'm gonna get those fire pieces. Then I'm gonna take a stud, those studs, whatever, hole in it, and I'm gonna put it through there. Then I'm gonna use it.